Well, hi there. I am Julie Winkler, and this is my presentation on virtual reality glasses and other tools. Before I get started, I'd like to clarify that my topic officially was virtual reality glasses. However, when I researched virtual reality in education, I could not find anything that was specifically on glasses. Instead, I found stuff on virtual reality and augmented reality all stuffed into one, so that's what I went with. So, here are some advantages of having virtual reality in a classroom or school library. High student enjoyment, obviously. Virtual reality is cool. Most of them don't have access to it yet, so that makes it really fun and unique. It opens up the world to them. It allows them to experience things that they may not normally get to or that would be impossible. I think that's especially important in low income schools. And then, of course, there's low habit. The kids aren't used to it yet, so it's still a lot of fun. Some disadvantages of having virtual reality in a school: overhead, it's going to be costly to set up. Usability, it's not always the friendliest thing to use for students. Lack of training, of course, by teachers to run it, and of course, teacher buy in, because some teachers just don't like things that are fun, and they're not going to want to use virtual reality because it's fun. So, selection criteria in choosing virtual reality, I really had to pare this list down. So will multiple grades benefit was my first question, obviously, because it's going to cost a lot, so everybody needs to be able to use it. Is the content appropriate, and does it fit the curriculum? Are the systems age appropriate? And by that I mean, are the glasses going to fit the kindergartners and the fifth graders? Are they going to be too big and fall off their heads constantly? Are there extra fees and subscriptions? And then, of course, are updates free and regular? That's always important. Implications for collection development. It's going to take a lot of funding to start. Once I think you've got it set up, though, it's going to be great for community buy-in, and everyone's going to like it and want to come use it and have fun with it. Copyright considerations. This one was a bit of a challenge because I really could not find any straightforward information. However, like most software products, you are going to probably need a network or site license. It was unclear, however, if you were going to need one for the headset or the programs or the software programs, so definitely look into that if you are planning on adding virtual reality to your library. And finally, here are my resources that I used. Thank you so much for listening to my short little presentation, and I'll see you next time.